So I was just planning on doing the exhaust in this video, but as you can see I had to take the rear off anyway. I've got this tinted rear light which also converts it to LEDs I was going to put on, so I was going to just install that while I was at it. So if you're ordering one of these for yourself, it doesn't come with a wiring diagram. You get these 3 wires which are for the actual light itself. And then you get these 2 yellow wires here. Yeah, these 2 yellow wires. I found that the red is just a normal rear light, the green is the brake light, and the black is the earth. So after some fiddling around, I realised there's 2 little screws, one's in there, the other one's just this one here. All you have to do is whack them out, and then this bit should lift up a bit further. Yep, so there's little clips, you can kind of see them just there, and that bit. So all you have to do is just push in and lift, and this should just pop. There you go. Oh my goodness, if you're doing this at home and your rear light doesn't want to come out, you're not alone. I've sat here for the last 10 minutes trying to get this damn thing out. It's not quite small enough to fit out any of the gaps. So what I actually ended up doing, I don't know if this is the official way, but hey ho. I actually jammed my pocket knife. You see there's a little kind of slit there. Jammed it in, got it underneath the light and kind of popped the light out, and that pushed his bracket. It worked. So it actually went in a whole lot easier than I expected. What you can do is you get one side sort of half in, and then just kind of push down the other side, and it just slots in. It's so easy. Then you push it back so that the little bits are against this rubber, or inside the rubber. So now it's to whack all the screws back in, and that's the rear end good. So that is the 2 big screws back into the light. I'm now going to run this sheaf of wires down where the original ones went, obviously putting on the panel as well as the little, wherever it's gone, the little wire grommet thing and metal bit. I'm not going to route these wires because they are for the built-in indicators, but in my opinion, with the rear light being so small, there's just not enough separation in the indicators and it's just not safe. I could run them in conjunction with the original indicators as an option, but I'm not going to. I'm just going to snip them, blank them off. So that's all the wire splice. Sorry, it's a bit out of focus. As you can see here, so if you're doing this along with me at home, green goes to the yellow, red goes to the blue, or I think it's sometimes on some bikes green, but the mic is blue wire, and then black just goes to black. So as you can obviously tell, this back bit isn't actually back on, but it is plugged in, so it's just going to test, make sure the lights come on, so there's a bit of rear light there, and then hopefully, got your brake light, awesome. It should be hopefully quite bright from the back. Put the screen up so you can see where I'm aiming. Awesome.